And this Tuesday Teardown, we're looking at a different kind of site. So this should be interesting. By the way, if you're new to the channel, have a look around. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Let's get to the teardown. We see immediately on the home page, this is a different looking kind of site than our standard Amazon affiliate site. So it's called, the headline here, the logo is Tawny and Company, and we'll see why momentarily. And it looks more like what I would describe as like a blog, like a parenting type blog, a mom blog. There are blogging tips. When we look at the menu, blogging tips, decorating, holiday ideas, and recipes. It's a wide range of stuff. There are a lot of blogs out there that kind of look like this. And we don't normally think of these as Amazon affiliate sites because there's so much other content out there, right? There's so much other content on the site. But very soon you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And I'll mention something else. It's not just an Amazon affiliate site. They have a lot of other products in there as well. So we'll look at the homepage at first here. And as we scroll down, you'll see they have a featured post, and that aligns to, a seasonal holiday, St. Patrick's Day. This is 16th right now when I'm recording this. So it's seasonal, that's featured. They have an email opt-in section here in the middle, and then there's a bunch of recent posts. You can see there's a lot. And if I had a recommendation, I'd probably put fewer on the homepage because it's rare that someone's gonna scroll down and just like find something here. But nevertheless, this is what they have. I'm sure it's working well for them. Now, the thing that I always do is I take a look at the About page. So when we click on the About page, we see the person's name is Tawny. So that's why it's Tawny and Company. And you can see she's a former executive in PR. She's worked with big brands, and she had a writing side gig. And then she refocused her career to spend more time at home in Salt Lake City. Now she does social media and so on and so forth. So you can see it's only a few hundred words here, but it gives a very good background, and there's a picture of Tawny here, and it looks nice overall. It is very straightforward. The thing that I'm going to scroll down and show you here, well, there's a lot of banners on the sidebar. We'll get into that later, but there is copyright information here. All right, so that is interesting to know. But the big thing is there's an Amazon Associates disclosure. So there wasn't a disclosure on the homepage because there was no area in which a person could actually buy anything. But in the sidebar, we see there is a disclosure. Now, the thing I arbitrarily chose a review. Actually, it's a DIY project here. And I'm going to show you another way to add Amazon affiliate links or other affiliate links to a site without being like over salesy. I know a lot of people, and actually leave a comment below if you're just getting into niche sites and affiliate marketing and you feel like maybe you're too salesy, maybe you don't feel qualified to review products or anything like that. This is a way where you can provide good value. You could really help the visitor and potentially make commissions. So as we can see, the headline here is DIY Welcome Spring Wreath. So it's a do-it-yourself project. There's a nice, pinnable image here, and a custom pin me lemon pops up. So that's cool, I guess. And as we scroll down, she talks about the project, right? She tells you how to do it, and these are links to other projects, right? So she talks about other wreaths that she's worked on. And the thing that gets interesting, right? I'm going to ignore all the DIY stuff because, we don't need to talk about that. But she has early on the materials that one needs to do this project. And you'll notice she puts affiliate links for Hobby Lobby and for Amazon as appropriate. So here's a laundry list of stuff that you need. And then she tells you can get it at Hobby Lobby or Amazon. She points you to exactly where you need to go. So that is a way where you can, put the information in. She doesn't have to say, This is a great wreath form. 24 inches, a perfect size. All the normal, stuff we see in a review where people don't know what they're talking about. She knows what she's talking about, and she's telling you what you can do when you buy this stuff. Now, who knows how much these materials cost, but she's into making wreaths, right? We can tell that from the, she's making a wreath for like every holiday, right? Christmas, I get it. That's cool. A Valentine's wreath, a winter wreath. Now we're talking about a spring wreath. I mean, where's it going to end? The point is she's using it, and this is a fine way where you can put links in and be confident that you're helping someone and you're telling them how to use the stuff. Now, as we scroll down, you can tell she put in, a hell of a lot of time to take all these images. She's making a wreath, right? And she tells you how to do it and what to do. Now, before I forget, there is a native ads section here. And if I am looking at this correctly, like she's putting the links for some of the products and whatever that you may need for such a project. So this is a native ads. You can add whatever items you want on there. You can see she selected a hot glue gun, the wreath thing that we talked about before, Art Deco, Americana, whatever that thing is. Right, it doesn't matter, but it's useful and it's on the list. So she can put it here. So if people want the native image or native ads, you got them. And as we're scrolling down, she goes through the whole thing, shows you exactly what to do. She has this seasonal green nail polish. It's the full package. So I think you get the point here. And if you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll reply back. So I think this is a great approach, and you could really do this for any number of different, topics and stuff like that, because people want to know how to do how-to things. Further, right? We'll take it one step further. People ask me about the how-to and informational articles, and they say, well, can I put any affiliate links? Hell yeah, you can put affiliate links. And this is the perfect way to do it. Now, not every time are you building a winter gnome wreath, right? But sometimes you are giving steps to do a thing. And that, of course, is a perfect time to show people and provide people with your affiliate link to go out there and buy the items they need to do the project that you're talking about. If you like these Tuesday teardowns, let me know in the comments, and I'll do more and more and more of them. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe.